Welcome to Penelope's Pots and Pans. Today we will be making popcorn in two different ways. The first way is with a popcorn maker, and the second way is on the stovetop. First, the popcorn maker. Now, to make popcorn, you need to pop popcorn kernels. So, we're going to take 1/3 of a cup of popcorn kernels, also the same as what is on the roof of your popcorn maker, that one, and we're going to pour it into the popcorn maker and put the lid on and turn it off. Can go a little crazy, but when you think most of it is out, you can turn it off, take off your lid, take it, and you can dump the rest of the popcorn that is ready in. Now we will be adding 2 tablespoons of melted butter. However much salt you want. I recommend quite a bit. And there is how you make popcorn with a popcorn maker. Now it is time to make the next version, the next way. So I have this pot, and it is turned on at medium heat, and we need 1 tablespoon of oil, vegetable oil, to put in there. And now we need to put in our popcorn. Same amount as last time, 1/3 of a cup of popcorn. Is spread evenly throughout the pan, and now we put some salt inside of it. And put the lid on and let it pop. So the thing about this is you have to keep your eyes on it. You cannot walk away or leave it because we don't want them to burn, and it may take some time. So just be patient, and you need to shake the pan a little bit, especially when it's popping, because you don't want any of your popcorn or popcorn kernels to get burnt, because that would not be good, and I only know one person who actually likes burnt popcorn. Done popping. Well, it's still going a little more. So now we're going to move away from the heat, and it is pretty much ready. Let's take the lid off. There's our popcorn, and let's pour it into the bowl. Tablespoons of melted butter. And our salt. each popcorn. This is the popcorn from the stovetop, and this is the popcorn from the machine. Let's try the one from the machine. It is very light and fluffy, and it is very, very good. And it is super easy, so that adds to it. Now let's try this one. It is very light and fluffy also, and it isn't, the thing about popcorn is it isn't that sweet, so if you're don't want anything sweet, it's perfect to eat because it's nice and savory. So, that is all for today. Goodbye!